What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today is a beautiful day. And look at all of that untouched snow. What could I possibly do with all of this snow? I know what we're gonna do. An RC rally car. Hi. All right, let's go. Let's go. Get your ball. I'm a man with a plan and a vision. Let's make it happen. We haven't gotten any snow all year. And here we are in like foot deep snow anyways. And I'm thinking big corner that comes around close to us, goes out to a straightaway, kind of loops around, couple of jumps in there, but I want a really nice long straightaway. So maybe I could even use this path that's already here. Looks like Maddie's already starting the path for me. Let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna go this way, loop that way, kind of go out, around, back towards me, back out and around, and then down the straightaway. All right, now you get to watch me build it.
Womp, 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 ba 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 da 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 ba 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 da ba da ba 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 da ba da ba da ba da ba 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 da ba da ba da ba da ba 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 da ba da ba da ba da ba ba. And bop 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 bada 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 bop da bop bop da bop bada 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 bop bop da bop 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 da bop 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 bop.
To say that was harder than I was expecting is an understatement, but it's done. Here, let's go check it out. That is the track. I'm gonna put you guys on the car itself, and then you get some POV action. All right. Whew. Now I know these batteries are supposed to be tied down, but honestly, Traxxas tie downs kind of suck. So I have foam pieces in there that the battery just kind of squishes into.